awake, because it means stream time. Okay, so last time I was doing error reporting. They want to check if Rust C supports error correction. I just don't know, should I use a scene or Rust scene? This is the obvious choice. Okay, seems like this will be the one version over 3 years ago. Is it maintained? Like, I think I saw this. This looks more maintained. Wonder why this is unsafe. Okay, let's try it. Emma. This analyzer doesn't work again. Let's just do strings. Why pass doesn't implement display? It's annoying. This is terrible. Okay, let's see. of type static. Path. This could be symbol, but it won't be displayable. My key doesn't work again. Build from path inputs. Input is a file, or I can do a string. Yes, owned to owned. Plus, why would they unwrap it? Owned to owned. What does get return? Result of a simple file. This won't work. Hmm. Why am I? Let's try memory map again. Mm. Import. Wrong. Clone. Only debug. Only debug is allowed. I'm gonna implement it. Probably. Up for now. What's wrong again? Okay, so this is memory mode. SS key. SS can checked. The mute pointers. Ever. Memory map device. Device range. How do you use this thing? Second map, we can make it mutable. We don't need advice range, lock, unlock, remap. Actually, I can. Okay. Yeah. Derep. Oh, I can derep it as a slice. So this is a slice. Now, how do I create a stir from slice? Just yeah. Slice. From U8 slice. Clipping. From UTF-8, which can definitely fail. Wonder how it looks inside. Run validation. Oh no. I guess is the only way. Safety validation succeeded. Unchecked. Not sure if I really want to use this. Maybe I should put source here. Does my map define any drop? Probably does. I'll need to hold it here. Sources, borrowed string. Map, an option of the map. Line starts, of course, here. Anonymous lifetime, which actually should be named lifetime. So I need it. Same map. Do I like do an option? I mean, or something. Name. Fine. I have a path. Then I have a memory map. Then I'm gonna have a source, which is a stir. Vacant. Huh. Why? Not sure if I should do this. Let's just do a string. No. Okay, so I have a path and source. Which I should maybe do cow. Qualify or import. Import. Time a string. Cow is a simple num. Wow. Okay, so source, which I can of course obtain from memory map. Maybe I should switch cow for something that can hold memory map. No, this is copied in. Error. Which I'm gonna import. Clone. Really? Can I do victim a path? Doesn't implement display. Why? Yay. str is fine as well. Ref. Compatible type. Cloud. Self-sourced. Well, I can't really move, so probably just to borrow. But to borrow using SRF. Green chicken. Fine. Not really a big deal. Okay, so the base has files with a vector of which is a vector of file. This also has a lifetime file, a lifetime. I'm gonna move code base up before file. And they can derive because books are dynamic. File ID is use size, for example, name is file, name, source is a file source, bigger source created file. Wonder why this doesn't work. Ambiguous associated type. Can you do S files? Fine. More like types. This file ID, name, so new source pass, let's start. This should take itself name and self source, because why not? Name, set file, self ID, file ID, bigger, it's so much. File ID. ambiguous associated type, use fully qualified, whatever. Expected it. Should I do a lifetime here? I think I should. Add file content is a cow. Lifetime a str. Pass is just a pass. Code base self, right? Lifetime parameter. Expected use size, okay. Push file new ask. Okay, let's rename this the source and files lens one. Send. Okay, have add file. Name self files ID. Get ID. Add get name source. Wow. So self get. Just copy this. Okay, already have add get file. Lifetime 8. Why do you put chars here? File. So file get, okay, or file missing, right? Files get, expected enum, found enum. So this will be a self get file ID. Name. So yeah, source line index. File ID byte index. So this is just like a delegate, or how do you call this? Yeah, seems like that. Line index. Index. And line range. Line range. So maybe I should just make a module. Why not? So like make a folder. It's just a file. Code base file rs. Put this here. Take this. Put it here. code base here, rename mod rs. Okay, so do mod file public use file all inputs here, and then hey, I didn't sort analyzer. Here it is. Why do you have this cover open? It's because I clicked on update icon. Okay, I'll import this and import this. Rust analyzer. Why are you so slow? 200 crates. Import cow. And error, which is code span error. This one. Import this as well because I use it. Oh, or I don't. Actually, I don't use it here. I'll leave it imported. Code looks cleaner. Visit. Okay, now I don't need paragraph here. Where do I have errors in diagnostic? The diagnostic to work, I need to make code base static, which is not a good idea. We have unit. Can I make this const? I really don't like this idea. Have static internal, which I don't like. What can I do? It should move everything into code base, including internal. So like if I'm gonna put import code base here, lifetimes. Anonymous lifetime. So if I'm gonna go to code base, I have files, I have units, I have script units. Where do I put internal? Where do I put the field? Interner string interner. Need to make this constant. Wonder why it's like, when have I borrowed it? I mean, imported it. Oh wow. Oh wow. So this is publicly imported. Okay, string interner symbol. And then I'll move this into code base. And I'm gonna make this public. Unit public as well, I think. I'm not gonna make files public. Because I have everything, pretty much everything to access them. No need for removing files, right? It's gonna cause a lot of problems. What about removing units? Fine. Maybe I should just... Wow, this is complicated. Actually, I can just... Okay, I'll put this into code base. We have code base. I'm gonna move this into file. I wanna move this implementation. And that actually everything, almost everything I wanna move. Let's put this here, but I'll remove new. Use superstar. So this is file API. I should add docs. Documentation. This is string interner. Symbol. Public use file asterisk. Not sure about that. One like code base file. So I should do code base symbol here. No need for importing interner. And this will be import code base. Anonymous lifetime. Not segments. Interner in get return static. Huh. Static string, but this string is not static. Okay, let's just get return segment. string as ref. Like static has a static lifetime bound, so this is fine. It just makes it on or something. Okay, so pass. And they have two errors. Debug for module. Oh no. Oh no. Uh, I think I'm gonna do something like debug. I don't know. I'm gonna comment this for now. Wait, one thing, I'm gonna implement a code base. Which I really, this is all for diagnostic. I think I'm gonna leave it here. Oh, you superstar. Self. Report, this is gonna be self file ID or something like that. Yeah, fully qualified pass, as this is self. Wow, so many triangle brace as files, which I'm gonna import because it looks terrible. For appropriate lifetime. Okay, lifetime A. And this is gonna get lifetime A. Okay, what's control? Oh, what? Emit returns a result. When emit fails, like when diagnostic new render, so render returns one. Probably when files fail. I don't think I should panic here. Like anyway, if let error, what's this? Writer does not live long enough. I remember writing this code when I did first time. Stick writer. This should be something more like I'm going to loop actually it's fine. So this would be something like structure num writer, which I'm gonna only have a standard string for now, which will be the default choice. And I'll config is I'm gonna import writer, like derive default, no, clone, ah. Okay, so then I'm gonna do a function. I'll just implement default for it. Standard stream with automatic color choice and default config. Use span exporting term config and term color choice and standard stream. Want this to be publicly available. But not too publicly. Okay, so this is the default, and this will be diagnostic writer. Put it here. I'm gonna qualify files, diagnostic writer default. Actually, I should put it here. Not sure better name of this thing. Course. I guess it's a diagnostic writer now. Actually, I can derive default here. Probably. Wow. Yes, I can derive default here. I should convert this to manual implementation. Self-consume. Diagnostic writer default. Because if I change something here, it will break. Okay, so here I'm gonna do if that will match self-diag diagnostic writer. Of course, up to create are actually public. You can substitute it at any time. String writer and what is this? On pick. So this will call this, and if there's an error, can't move out, of course, don't move out. Config is borrowed already. writer lock mute. So I'm gonna do airplane fine helpful render diagnostic error. Okay. Wow, service formatable. I can't format it. I mean, I can format it. Original diagnostic. I should implement a better render here. Something like diagnostic message, code, notes, and severity there. So partial word. Please give me just a string for it. No. Okay. Let's just quickly implement it. It's okay, so this is a bug, which I should render if I can't render diagnostic. This is an error. This is a warning. This is node and help. Regional diagnostic. Okay, just do this. First is an error or warning or severity. How do you pronounce it? I should just do this. Then comes what? Mystic code. If I just drag to cargo build, you wanna see how it looks. So warning, whatever error. Where is the error code? Okay, so I'm gonna probably better something like that. Colon message. So this will be whatever this is. Node help. Then I'm gonna do if code is an option of a string. What? Map or map or else. Map or else. This is a code. I'm gonna format it like that, and then message diagnostic Message, there are also labels, notes, and then for label, diagnostic labels, yeah. Error print, label, message, label style, get unknown, unknown. Just really wanna test this now. Notes. This is a node. Not gonna render anything else from label. Which doesn't really help hold anything. Label node. What is node? Huh. Node. Mutable self. Yes. Wow. Okay, what's wrong here? More of moved value. Yeah. Let line start. Lifetime may not live long enough. Lifetime, self. Okay. And they can't do this because of trade bounds. They can. Yes. Referencing temporary value. Pass to string glossy. Whatever, name can be just a string. I wonder why pass doesn't use displays, like have displays. Actually, I can make it not string. Like I own pass. Is there actually? Actually, I have an idea. Since I'm already using cows. Does it have yeah, it does. So I can do cow for pass. Give time a pass. Just import pass instead of pass buff. Pass, which is a cow. Lifetime a. Oh wow. Okay, then I have this as a I don't really want to do this, but struct file name public struct which takes which has lifetime a and it holds cow to pass. Now equal display or file name. And I'm gonna return file name of lifetime a here, and I'm gonna return a file name of self pass. Which actually, actually it will hold a pass as a ref. File name anonymous lifetime So what do I do? Right F so 0 display like really? Is it that simple? Okay, what do we have here? But is a cow. I'm gonna do cow ball here probably. Because why would they actually do cow here as well? How do you call this function that will read the file? Pass read, so read file will take just a borrow of path to do cell and file path and as to the fs read to string path and call out and I'm gonna do call owned and call owned here as well. Like this will be and oh, return the result. This and there you error expected in the result phone type use size what? Okay. This is the power of Rust. Another error. What? Lifetime may not live long enough. Self should be like lifetime A. And I'm just surprised how trade allows this. Oh, they have those bounds. Don't try them. Wow. Okay, so now in order for Rust, I have some problems. I'll call AST because this is IR. This is IR. Debug. Default partial Q partial ordered hash. I really wanna do. I really wanna test my diagnostics. No field kind on item. Yes. This is debug, which isn't yet ready. I can't yet do this. Yeah, just want to. Please. I'm gonna do default, cause why not? Then I'm gonna do report diagnostic or diagnostic. Oh wait, I didn't import enough. Diagnostic, so what I have, stick, severity. I don't know how to pronounce this. Oops. Pronunciation. Severity. Uh,
Severity.
severity. Finish.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Well, I can't speak English. I'm just gonna use Oracle asterisk here. I'm gonna do code base. Why not? If, for example, I wanna do help, why not? I've never seen it. So with code I can do labels, I think, yeah. Can do messages and note. Okay, let's do with code EO3, for example. With message. Oh, you know, error. I'll you with labels and with notes. Let's do notes for now. Note and okay, let's run it. Help EO3, I'll help you. Yay. And actually in my diagnostic renderer, which wasn't used right now, I shouldn't put a space here. Seems like I'll leave space here. Help you note. Wow, this formatting. Space equals space. I want to use this. Okay, so let's now break it by adding a file that doesn't exist, like with labels, vector label primary file ID range, file ID 0, range 10 first 10 characters. Since the file is ASCII, why not Why 10? 8 characters. We're programmers, we love powers of 2, not powers of 10. With message, what else does it have? Is the only message relevant. Into string here. Okay, now it will break a failed render diagnostic file missing original diagnostic help EO3. I'll help you here at unknown with notes. They shouldn't that little more. Should here 3 spaces so it's in line with notes. Maybe. And then I'll add code base. Add file. Add pass. Should be pass. Can I like make a cow into cow? From one cow. '99 implementation, so wow. Cow is copy on right? Wow. Didn't expect that. Okay, cow from roll cow from works. So let's put in into then where do I use cows else? Where else do I use cows? Here I'm gonna do into as well. Into cow. Pass and source equals pass into source into. Okay. Now I can add pass stdfs pass std pass. Wow. You like src/libres for example and source 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Help me please. Something like that. Here it rendered, yes, it rendered, and okay, this works. Diagnostics work. Should already do version control with this. Let's open Git, pull up Git Kraken, and add this to Git. I mean to GitHub. It already contains Git. Okay. What? Update of dot files? I don't know what they've changed. Horizontal, vertical tiles. File association. Key commit. Push. Can I add repository? I mean open repository. Open local, which will be at dev rust tools or not oro. either Rust or tools or uh is it in libraries? Okay, fine. Yes. Yeah, it's not a repository. I wanted to. Wow. Oh wow. It it froze? What? Yeah, this looks kind of like Windows, but it's Linux. Trust me. It's Arch, by the way. It's native Linux. It's Arch Linux on Asus laptop. 6.7 kernel. Uptime 1 hour 1 minute. Oh, it's old. It's Arch, by the way. 800 packages from backend, 6 from Flatpak. It's not really true. Fish shell, plasma, 5. Kevin. This doesn't really matter. Alacrity, yeah. My specs. Not the best PC for streaming, but whatever. That's what I have. Okay, open repository. Rust libraries or rates Oracle. Let's do this one first. Actually, on a new workspace, a local workspace. Oracle. It's just like that. To change an icon later, maybe. Part VS Code workspace. Oh, I've got a new follower. Seems like. Thanks, don't care for following. Mount dev Rust library Oracle. Yeah. Lurk if you want. Grades. They don't have VS Code workspace here. Oh, because it's a folder. Browser repositories. Libraries. Oracle. Okay, this worked. I'll add icon later. Maybe, hopefully. Okay, so what do I do now? Open workspace. Am I not in it right now? Oh, here it is. Huh. Initialize for me if you want. Initial commit. Oh, here is workspace. What is that? Open all in VS Code workspace. Man, this is useful. Okay, so I have some stuff in here. Let's do code base and diagnostics. Stage of changes, commit, push. There's no remote push. Would you like to add one? Yes. Wow. And it will create repo for me. This is cool. Yeah. Orco remote origin description. Compiler. Chain. Create remote and push local refs. Okay, now can I view it on GitHub? Yeah, can. Wow. Readme MD, why it's so empty? Readme Markdown. Can I wonder like I can add a license file on GitHub? Can I add a license file? Uh, Here, like this thing is cool already. Undo, pull, push, branch, terminal, command palette. I don't think so. Modules, text, themes, issues, pull requests. I'll just add license here. License. Yep. Which is of course MIT, probably. Like permission charge to any person obtaining a copy of the software and associated documentation files. The software to deal in the software without restriction, including without limitation, the rights to use, copy, modify, merge, publish, distribute, sublicense, and or sell copies of the software, and to permit persons who to whom the software is furnished to do so. Don't know those words. Subject to the following contributions. I mean conditions. The above copyright notice and this permission notice shall be included in all copies of or substantial portions of the software. Okay, review and submit. Actually, I should have a note somewhere. There are some tools I'm gonna try. It's called cargo about and cargo license bundle. I mean bundle licenses. There is a GitHub issue about having different licenses on crates, and those two tools were linked. I'm gonna see how they work. New file, add, commit changes, create license. View licenses ready, yeah. Maybe I should. This spot is so old. Maybe I should remove. Oh, we have code span fork. Of course I do. Trustland. I think it will still be Trustland. Those will. Those crates are actually Orco, what I'm working on right now, and some of my games. Yeah. Do I remove them or archive them? Okay, I'll archive them. It's not what I wanted to see. What's this? Is the string fine? 3 frames. Wow, this is great. I hope it's actually like that. So we're building. This project has moved here. Commit changes. Update readme. No, commit changes. Commit changes. Okay, cancel changes. Then this project has moved. What was that? It's a compiler backend. Moved. I didn't close a parenthesis. It's terrible. Is it? It's closed here, huh? Okay, fine. Okay. This project has moved. Then I'll archive them. Archive. And then archive this one. Okay, archived. I'm building tools. This is the license one, I think. In the meantime, we can do what we can do is add the docs, for example, at missing traits. Because really I should write docs already. So this won't be a problem in the future. Could be this trait. This has all the traits. Internal. Oh, need to remove this. Internal has moved into code base. Diagnostic. We have diagnostic writer, which I can't really derive it. Debug default, long debug default partial equals partial or and hash. Those are all traits I normally define here. I don't need default because I implemented it. Derive. I implemented default here, so it won't let me do all those traits except for debug. But maybe I should just implement debug myself. I think I'll implement debug myself. I And also I'll move this down. Impl debug for diagnostic writer. This is the FMT. Wow. Debug tuple. Let's debug struct better. This will be a field config. This is a writer and config. Debug config is normal. I'm gonna color choice writer. Yeah. Now we need to somehow extract the color that they took. I mean that they put here. std error with choice. Writer inner. No way I'm extracting this. Okay, so this is pretty much all the traits here. IR is not yet ready. Code base. I can't really derive anything here. Have default, debug, partial QQ or partial order hash. Not sure about 30 traits. Copy, no copy here of course, and I can't derive any. So debug, manual implementation, debug. Should be such helpful if they added a quick fix for debug, like instead of proc macro use the trait. Maybe just only for debug. Okay, I'm not gonna debug internal. Files is just a vector of files. I have file debuggable. I'm gonna redo this. Unit diagnostic writer. The unit itself, unit just a hash map of unit to box dynamic unit. Keys. Okay, so just tools installed. Now I can cargo. What was that about? Plugin for generating a listing of all of the crates and the terms under which they are licensed. Wow. Generate output the list init about them. Generate, let's just see. Okay, init. Oh wow. HBS. What is that? Third party licenses. Wow. Oh, this is a template. accepted MIT and Apache 2.0. Okay, can I get rid of them? Just generate. Let's see this. No. Okay. Remove cargo uninstall cargo about cargo cargo bundle licenses. Wow. Let's just put this into a file. Licenses txt. Wow, some warnings. Confidence level semi for Apache 2.0 for MIT. Okay, so third-party libraries, a package name Ahash, MIT or Apache. What is OR for license? I wonder. Terms and conditions for use, reproduction. Configure MIT/Apache. This file is really long. I don't want to read it all. Okay. Debug for codebase. I can't really add any other traits here. And here I only have file and file name. File name really needs some trait symbols. I wonder if I do a deref, because I should do a deref. Deref for file name. It's wrong. I can't use this. But now I think I can do pretty much all stuff. So like, can I do that X is this which I'll set to core of dynamic EQ, for example. Browsers. Trait Q cannot be made into an object. What do I check? What else do I check? What can I check? Hash. Hash. Can I just cannot be applied. Okay, let's just derive stuff here. I have a display partial q partial word hash debug. Yeah, I will debug this. as is. Uh, and actually implementing traits for file. Clone, debug, partial QQ, partial order and hash. In debug, I don't really want to show line starts. Maybe I should. I'll leave it. Okay, file modes. Okay, so this cannot order them. Yeah, maybe cannot hash them because this doesn't even have a name. Names are stored outside of the struct. I have clone, right? I should have one debug, right? I should have debug, partial Q and Q, right? This will be the same. And I hope like when I go get to literals, F32 doesn't ruin it all completely. It will be kind of fun. Okay, so I had just test debugging of a code base. So if I add a file, unit, don't really have a unit. Okay, and they add key is code base interner get or intern test. Unit type only number of option of box. Okay, create parse because I don't have a create here for create. So this should be just what? Slice of symbol, I think. Okay, this is just blanket implementation, I think it's called. Box of dynamic unit box new. Some code here. Let's test it. Main panicked. Oh. Okay, let's just add this. Units and cert. Oh, and actually debug unit. I mean code base. Not use. Okay, let's see what I get. This should be pretty good. Oh my god, chars. Wow, so many warnings. Okay. So I have a code base which has units, some units. Debug for code base. I can't get it. Actually, okay, where's code base? debug for code base unit keys if the map symbol or like unit, which is a symbol. I will do self internal get in resolve symbol borrow. Since I can't render diagnostics inside of this function, I will just expect it. I'll just panic in case something will be wrong. Fail to resolve unit name. Okay, let's see. So units test one, that's great. Diagnostic writer a standard stream which has a sysconfig. Don't know, I should did this chars characters. Then it has files with this line starts. I do debug line starts. Maybe I shouldn't really. Maybe I shouldn't debug config like that. Who knows? Like, I really don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna debug some stuff. Starting with diagnostics here. I have to debug can I just do like that? Wonder how it will look. Yes, is it good enough? Diagnostic writer is standard stream and line starts. I don't want to do line starts for that. New implementation, which I will move here. Oh, and file name I'll move it here, down here. So debug for file, I'll put it here. Actually, I like it here. Then I'm not gonna debug line starts. So this is gonna be the cleanest debug. Maybe not as informative as it should be, but good enough. Good enough for me. I like it. And docs. Oh no. Let me sneak into this, sneak peek into here. I have something enabled that will show me errors, warnings for missing docs. So here I'm gonna put this, and immediately missing documentation for the crate. Oh no. Yeah, I'm streaming for 2 hours now. I think I should end now. I'll do documentation myself later. I'm getting a little tired. Oh, they need pull. What memory branch should master push and pull from master, of course. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, so goodbye YouTube.